Welcome back to the Makeforms tutorial series. In this video, we will walk through the rating field. The rating field lets users rate your product, service, or content using stars or emojis. It is one of the most common fields for surveys and feedback forms. Now let's see how to set it up. From the field list, drag the rating field into your form. Rename the label so it matches your question. Now let's look at the basic settings for this field. At the top of the settings, you will see the required field toggle. Turn this on if you want to make sure the user selects a rating before submitting the form. If they try to submit the form without choosing a rating, Makeforms will show an error message and stop the submission until they select a value. Below that, you will find helper text. Turn this on if the user needs extra guidance. You can add a short note like, rate the product's quality on a scale of 1 to 5. You can show this helper text as a small info icon where the message appears on hover, or you can display it as a visible line under the rating field. Next, you can control the rating type. By default, the rating field is set to stars. In this setting, you can switch between stars and emoji rating. With stars, users see the classic star icons to pick their score. Then with emoji rating, the stars change to faces that go from unhappy to very happy. If you want control over the exact number of points in the scale, stay with the stars type. Below the rating type, you can set the max rating. This decides how many points the rating scale has when you are using stars. By default, the field usually shows 5 stars. You can increase this up to 10 if you want a more detailed scale. For quick and simple feedback, 5 is usually enough. This max rating setting applies only when the rating type is stars. Now let's look at the advanced settings for the rating field. Turn on Mark as sensitive data when the rating should not be visible to everyone on your team. Only team members with the right access level inside Makeforms will be able to see the actual scores. This is useful when your form is used for internal employee evaluations or feedback that should be restricted to certain roles. The default value setting lets you pre-fill the rating field. You can choose a starting rating, for example, 3 out of 5. When the form loads, the rating field will already have this value selected. The user can still change the rating before submitting the form as long as the field is not disabled. Disable field turns the rating field into a read-only field. When you enable this option, the user can see the rating but cannot change it. You can use this when you are showing a rating that comes from another system. You can also link the rating field to a query parameter in the form URL. Enter a parameter name, for example, rating. When sharing the form, add the parameter with a value within the allowed rating range. For example, if the maximum rating is 5, you can use rating equals 4. When someone opens the form with this link, the rating field will automatically load the value from the query parameter. That's everything you need to know about the rating field in Makeforms. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.